Do you know how much water we lose from our skin every day? On average, it's about 500 ml. Yes, about this much. For people with dry skin, this amount can be even greater. I am in danger. This water loss can make our skin look dry, flaky, parched, and dehydrated. So, how should you stop it? By drinking more water? I can't do it anymore. No, I'm full. No, I don't have to drink any more water, and neither do you. You can stop this water loss with the moisturizer. But how do you choose a moisturizer for your skin type? And yes, it's important to choose the right moisturizer for your face unless you want to drink more water and look like this. And that's precisely what we're going to learn today. So let's get started. Hi, this is 𝗣𝗍𝗂𝗂. I love science, skincare and science of skincare. And today we're going to learn how to choose the best moisturizer for your skin type. Do you really need a moisturizer? Before I go into all the complicated details of choosing a moisturizer, I want to first answer the questions I get asked the most about moisturizers. What would happen if I didn't moisturize my face? How do I know that I need a moisturizer? Let's do a very simple test to find the answer. For one night, put moisturizer on one side of your face, too many ones, and leave the other side and go to sleep. After waking up in the morning, compare both sides of your face. Does the side with moisturizer on feel glowy, plumper, and smoother than the other side? If the answer is yes, you should probably start using a moisturizer. In my case, from this little experiment, I was convinced that moisturizer is like rice in my meal. Being a South Asian, that I can't live without. Who else love rice like me? Let me know in the comment section below. Now let's get serious. What are the different types of moisturizers? Depending on the texture of moisturizers, they can be of 4 types. Gel moisturizer. This type of moisturizer has a very thin, watery-like consistency. It melts very easily on the skin and is suitable for oily skin. Cream moisturizer. These moisturizers are mainly for dry skin as they have a heavier consistency. Moisturizing lotion. This moisturizer has a texture that is not as heavy as a cream, yet not as light as gel moisturizer. Depending on the formula, both people with dry and oily skin can enjoy it. Balm or ointment. This is a very heavy moisturizer, usually used for some skin conditions like eczema, skin irritation, dehydration, etc. How to find the best moisturizer for you? Now, from what I've said so far, it might feel that choosing a moisturizer based on its texture is the easiest thing to do, right? Well, this method is certainly very easy, but not always the best one. If it was, then I wouldn't be making this video. Why? Because textures can be deceiving. Sometimes even a gel moisturizer might feel heavier than you would expect. Then what can you do? I'm going to share one tip with you. Yes, just one tip that will help you to choose the best moisturizer for you. The tip is read the front and back label of the product. I don't know what I'm doing with my hand. As I've said before, many moisturizers will mention on their packaging whether it's meant for dry, oily or combination skin, but a lot of moisturizer will not. In that case, turn the product and read the ingredient list on the packaging. Don't say that you don't know how to read the ingredient list, because after this segment, you will. Any good moisturizers will have 3 types of ingredients. First, humectants. These are the ingredients that hold on to the water like a sticker. Examples of these ingredients are glycerin, hyaluronic acid, sodium PCA. Second, emollients. These are the ingredients that fill up the spaces between skin cells, make them appear smoother, and prevent water loss. Some examples are ceramides, squalane, dimethicone, and shea butter. Third, occlusives. These are the ingredients that act like a shield over the skin by sealing the water inside. Some occlusives are petroleum, paraffin. Sounds too complicated? Don't worry. When I first heard these names, I couldn't even pronounce them well. You might say that I still can't pronounce them well. Pardon me, English is not my first language. But I promise that I'll try to explain in such a way that you'll find it very easy to understand and remember. Let's learn by examples for each skin type. First of all, how to choose a good moisturizer for oily skin. If you have oily skin, you need a moisturizer that is lightweight and that doesn't make your skin oilier. Remember those 3 types of ingredients in a moisturizer? So when you're looking for a moisturizer for oily skin, your moisturizer should have more humectants than the occlusives. Don't worry, you don't have to go through all the ingredients in the list. Just checking the first 5 or 6 ingredients is enough. For example, Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream with Hyaluronic Acid. First ingredient, water, which is a solvent. Second ingredient, 𝗣𝗿𝚻𝗂𝗰𝘁𝘀, which is emollient. Third ingredient, glycerin, which is a humectant. Fourth ingredient, citral olivate, which is a emulsifier. Fifth ingredient, trehalose, which is also a humectant. Sixth ingredient, sodium hyaluronate, which is also a humectant. So more humectant ingredients than occlusives. Similarly, if you check the ingredients list of from Vitamin 3 Water Gel, which is a Korean moisturizer, you'll find that it has more humectants and emollients than occlusive ingredients. Next, how to find a good moisturizer for dry skin. What basically I've been doing since I started doing skincare. Now, when you're looking for a moisturizer for dry skin, which ingredients should you look for? Since people with dry skin are more prone to lose water throughout the day, their moisturizer should contain more occlusives and emollients. Let's see an example. Cetaphil moisturizer for dry to very dry, sensitive skin. First ingredient, water, which is a solvent. Second ingredient, glycerin, which is a humectant. Third ingredient, petroleum, which is an occlusive. Fourth ingredient, dicaprylyl ether, pardon my pronunciation, which is an emollient. Fifth ingredient, 𝗣𝗿𝚻𝗃𝗃, which is also an emollient. So this moisturizer has more emollients and occlusives than humectants. Just what we need for dry skin. Now, how to choose a good moisturizer for combination skin? Now, combination skin is a confused one. Like some were oily, some were dry, but you don't have to be confused while choosing a moisturizer because I'm going to guide you through that. If you have a combination skin, that usually means that your T-zone is oily and the rest are dry. In that case, it would be wise to choose a moisturizer for dry skin because you can just skip or apply less on your T-zone. That's simple for some people, but for some people it might not be. In that case, you can use 2 different moisturizers if you want. One for your T-zone and the other for the rest of the face. I mean, you do you. It's your skin and you will understand your skin the best. Now, a pro tip. How do you know which ingredient falls into which category? It's certainly not possible to remember all the ingredients in the world. Take the name of the ingredient and search it on Google. It will show for which purpose it is mainly used. Last but not the least, check out some reviews from people who share your skin type and have used this product. Because after everything said and done, formulation matters. So do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to check out my future product reviews. Now, I'm not just going to review products for dry skin because I've got many guinea pigs in my family with different skin types to check the products on. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions, not just questions, whatever you want to share. See you next time. Till then, bye.